For the repair of the Alfa Laval EPC50 I/O board, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a spare OP board to the unit and a 24-volt DC power supply. By turning the power supply on, the units react and we can see the message on the OP LCD screen indicating the unit's communication. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the I/O board is operating successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.